Bienvenidos, I'm Andrea, and here I am at the Radical Walking Tours, and here we are at Michel Serros' home. Learning about Michel Serros and visiting her exhibit at CSU Channel Islands, I believed it was right that I only took the liberty in presenting her lovely home to you. Michel Serros was born on February 10th, 1966 here in El Rio community in Oxnard. She was a woman of many talents, including being a poet, author, comedic social commentator, and an overall chingona. And so she attended Ventura College for 2 years, and then she went on to attend Santa Monica College. Then she transferred to UCLA and spent 6 years to earn her degree in Chicana Studies. And so, fun fact, her first work, Chicana Falsa and Other Stories of Death and Identity and Oxnard, was published at Santa Monica College as her time as a student there. And so some of her works include being How to Be a Chicana Role Model, which is an excellent book, by the way. I completely recommend it. Honey Blonde Chica and Scandalosa. Her home is the backdrop of many of her stories in Chicana Falsa. And it is here where she grew up and met La Leti, who lived across the street. So Serros was very ambitious and rebellious, and she had such a play on words when it came to her literature. She utilized many of her experiences, personal experiences, which made her one of a kind and very relatable amongst the Chicano community. Prior to passing away from cancer, she donated her works and possessions to the exhibit at CSU Channel Islands. And again, I completely recommend you go visit. It's very beautiful there, and you'll really learn a lot about her. And so where I stand is very important because Michel will and still is going to be a Chicano role model. She is the medium brown girl. Well, thank you so much for coming along with me and allowing me to present to you the Radical Walking Tours. And please comment down below one of your favorite Michel Serros' poems. And again, thank you so much. Have a good one.